To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Brand new song by Brice, Memory I Don't Mess With. This one is in the key of A, and it's a pretty basic song, but it's got a couple little pushes in it I want to show you, and then it's got a slight little bridge. So I'm going to break this down to the verse, chorus, and then the B section, okay, which is kind of a bridge. So the chords are A, I play it like that, you can play it like that if you want, F sharp minor, and it occasionally gets to an F minor seventh, F sharp minor seventh. The voicing happens now and again. And then a D and E. So that's the chords to it. It's basically four chord wonder, as it were. And the rhythm of it is a kind of a driving. That's the verse feel. A, F sharp minor. D, E. So that's the verse feel, and the chorus feel just gets a little bit bigger. What I want to mention is there's a couple guitar parts going on, and one guitar part goes. That's the second guitar, and the other guitar just drives it. So it's just all downstrokes. Okay? And if you want to after each chorus, of course the same chord changes as the verse, but it gets bigger, and then it just releases and goes back to kind of softer. Okay? So the two guitar parts, you can actually incorporate them if you want to. You can try to get that. Those stabs, right? Kind of an R&B thing. But it's not necessary. You can sing the song perfectly well just playing all those downstrokes. And just remember, in the verse is a softer approach. You attack it a little bit less, and it opens up during the chorus, and then it releases in the second verse as it goes back to the verse. The next thing I want to show you is the bridge, which is ever so simple. So here's where the bridge goes. It comes in. I think it's after the second chorus. It just goes D, E. Right on out into a chorus, and that's all she wrote. Takes it on home. Hands. So that's a cool little Americana country tune by Brice. I dig Lee, he's great. It's called Memory I Don't Mess With. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!